Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be about how to nourish your badly damaged hair back to life. I'm going to be showing you from my experience how my hair got badly damaged and what I'm doing to nurse it back to life. I recently posted a video telling you all about what recently happened to my hair, and in today's video, you are going to see my hair for the very first time after it got damaged. The goal of this video is not only to show you the status of my hair, but to also help you if you're going through the same thing. Now, as I said in my previous video, we are doing a natural hair series where we're going to be starting our natural hair journey over. I'm going to be showing you what I've been doing over the last few months to basically nurse my hair back to life. I don't want to do a big chop because, as you're going to see in this video, my hair is damaged, but certain areas are worse than others and certain areas are better than others. So I don't want to do a big chop, and I also don't want to trust a salon beautician to cut it back into shape because sometimes they get scissors happy and they end up cutting off all your hair when it's not necessary. So I highly encourage you to watch this video if you're in the same position and do it yourself. Yep, this is the fro. I'm about to go to the salon and see what they can, I guess, basically do for me. All right, family, I am here. I am ready to go in. So I'm hoping not to have the same experience as I had last time. And if you guys haven't seen that video, I'm gonna leave a link down below so you guys can watch it. But yes, this is where I am and let's go in there. So I just asked the girl if it's okay for me to film my hair getting washed and she said yes. So I'm back out here. I'm gonna grab my stand so I can film this for you guys. So far so good. It looks like she's really nice and hopefully I have a better experience. But yes, I have my stand in my car here. Here we go. So yeah, I'm gonna be filming the whole thing and I'm excited that she said she'll let me film it. All right, let's go. I have my shampoo and conditioner in there. I almost forgot, so let me go ahead and grab it real quick. And here we are. I have all three things. We're ready to go. So this is just me letting the beautician do her work. Now you're gonna see me smile a few times, but this is just to keep me from crying. This is very vulnerable and very emotional for me. For those of you who have followed me for a while, you know where my hair came from. So to be here today, I don't even know what to say. But smiling just keeps me from crying because I know that everything will be okay. So after I got my hair washed, I'm sitting here under the dryer for a while and then I'm gonna go and have it blow dried so that I can accurately cut what I need to cut off. Again, I'm not trusting the hairstylist to cut my hair. I'm gonna go home and do it myself and you'll see that in a minute. So I am done and this is what we have. So I'm just gonna go in the house, braid it up and get ready for my next protective style. All right, family, this is a proper view of what my hair looks like without any cutting. This is what I've been doing for the past few months to get my hair back to normal. It was honestly worse than this. I have just been protective styling, washing, and cutting. And this is where we are currently. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going to be parting my hair in little sections, cutting the ends off as much as possible, combing it in different directions and cutting it as much as I need to versus doing a big chop because some parts of my hair is still healthy. Again, this is what I normally do when I take my hair out. I haven't been filming natural hair videos, but this is what I've been doing for the past 4 months. This video was very scary for me to make, y'all. I am completely vulnerable and emotional here, but a lot of times us influencers are not completely honest and we don't always show the bad side. So I just wanted to use this opportunity to show you all that this can happen whether you're an influencer or not. I just want to be completely transparent so you all can learn from me as well. If you're liking the video so far, please go ahead and hit that like button because this one was a really hard one for me to make. So yes, please go ahead and show your girl some love, and also don't forget to share the video. Also family, since we're starting our natural hair journey over, I have made a few videos that I'm going to be posting here soon about everything you're going to need to know if you want to go natural. I'm also going to make another video showing you all the tools and products that you're going to need for a successful natural hair journey. I really want to go through this journey with you, so please make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and that your bell notifications are also turned on. I'm really excited about starting this journey right now just because I want to see what's going to happen by, let's say, summer or even by the end of the year. So after doing all the cutting that I can do to my heart's content, I'm just going to go ahead and apply my aloe vera oil. I'm using this big bottle because I can apply a lot more oil. And as you can see, it has the nozzle that I can put between my hair to properly oil my scalp. Here is brushing and cutting and brushing and cutting, and it's also going to save me a lot of years from trying to grow my hair back. Now some people have to do the big chop depending on what kind of damage you have, but for me, my hair was thinning because of stress, and now that I think I'm in a better space, my hair has actually started growing from the bottom, so my roots are actually healthy and I have a lot of new growth, so I don't necessarily have to do the big chop. But I highly encourage you to do what works for you. If it's a big chop, then so be it. But if it's a transition, like myself, then so be it. So after oiling my scalp, I'm just going to go ahead and massage it in for a few minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and start braiding. Alright family, so as you can see here, I'm braiding my hair. This is my go-to protective style for when I wear my wigs. My wigs have been my saving grace. You guys will see that I'm going to be reviewing a lot of wigs because that is my go-to protective style. And whenever I review these wigs, I always leave a discount code to help you guys if you guys want to purchase them as well. family, so my hair is clean, my ends are cut, my hair is braided, and I'm ready to put it away and let it be for the next few weeks. Again, this is going to be a natural hair journey, so I highly encourage you guys to join me on this. If you did like the video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already joined the family, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell notification so you'll never miss another video. Thank you all again so much for your love and support. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye!